Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLA, and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillight. So all we need to do is apply slip solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, make sure to remove any contaminants that the taillight may have. And you could also clean around the area of the taillight just in case the film does touch the paint on the vehicle and it doesn't get any contaminants. So to start with the installation, apply tack solution just on the edge of the taillight here, and tack solution to the adhesive side of the film, and we're going to spray slip solution around this area once we finish placing the film. So first we're just going to focus on aligning it and tacking it down. So place the film, apply tack solution, and then use your squeegee and hold it in position to tack it down. Okay, once this section is secured, all we need to do now, like I mentioned earlier, is applying slip solution on the edge here. That way we're able to stretch the film and align it to this edge here. And once we have it on the edge, we're going to apply tack solution. That way it stays secured on around that area. So just hold it in position here, stretch the film, but make sure this whole area is dry. Our hand is able to grip the tint. So stretch it to the edge. Make sure the top's being covered, the bottom too. So hold it for a couple seconds. That way the film starts to tack down around this edge here. So if you let go, it should stay around this area. And then we'll break down these fingers afterwards. So just hold it, apply tack solution, and start securing it. That way it doesn't move. And make sure to remove all of the solution that's behind the film around this area. Okay, and to remove the fingers here, all we need to do is apply tack solution. Help separate the fingers to be easier to shrink them. So let's make them smaller. And then apply heat on this finger and on the top fingers as well. And then we're going to use our microfiber towel and our squeegee to tack everything down. So once you've applied tack solution wherever you see those fingers, grab your heat gun and apply heat to each finger. And then just wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and squeegee at an angle. That way we're able to start tacking down the fingers. And you would just repeat this process until you tack down all the fingers. Apply heat and then use your microfiber towel and your squeegee to tack it down. So when it comes to doing the installation for this one, we could start by applying slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film, and at the same time just apply tack solution just on the edge here. That way once we align the film, we can right away start tagging it down to secure it. Once it's aligned, apply tack solution on top of the film, grab your squeegee and start tagging it down to secure this section, and everything else should just fall into place. Just make sure to keep it aligned and start tagging everything down. And if you have any small fingers, those fingers can be removed by just applying a little bit of tack solution and heat, and that should be good. Make sure before you apply heat and seal all of the edges, remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film, and then we can seal all of the edges. So apply tack solution to seal the edges, and then heat, and use your microfiber towel, and you should be good. And then once we're done with both installations, we'll move on to the last step, which is post heating. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire taillight tint installation is to post heat the entire film. So all we need to do is apply tack solution to the lens, and we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire film. That way we help the adhesive on the tint activate faster. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help tack down the film and also help remove any solution that's trapped underneath the film. So take your time doing this process, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLA. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.